Hello guys, and welcome to another segment of Drawing with the Rouser. And today what we're going to be doing is a quick tutorial on how to draw an easy caricature. Okay guys, so the first thing that we want to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to start off with our basic head shape. The easiest way to do the head shape is to think of the head as some inanimate object, something like an apple or a square or a diamond or a bookshelf or a piece of toast, anything that makes you be able to see it in your mind. Because if you can't see the shape basically, that means you don't understand what you're drawing, and then your drawing will come out sketchy and then your lines will not be confident. So you want to first decide what that shape reminds you of. To give you a better illustration, a lot of times I might be riding in a car and I might look at the clouds and I might say, you know, that cloud reminds me of a hamburger or a cheeseburger, right? And I must be hungry right now. But anyway, you understand what I'm saying. It's easier to draw something that you know than something that you don't know. So take the confusion out of saying I'm drawing a face and just think I'm drawing this idea or this shape, okay? All right, so once we have laid down our basic outer shape, most of the caricature is already done. Believe it or not, your mind is incredibly resilient. It will put all the features together for you. It knows where to put it. You just have to trust it. With each shape, the secret to drawing shapes is to concentrate on first of all, the shape that you are drawing. If you're drawing the eyes, you should not be thinking about the nose or the ears or the mouth. You want to concentrate on that shape. Also, you have to realize that the face is pretty simply made. There's two eyes, there's one nose, there's one mouth, and two eyebrows. So if you draw the shapes as they look, basically, it will look like a portrait of that person. But if you change the relationships, which that's what you're doing in caricature, then you are able to create a different look, but it still looks like the same person. I know that might have sounded confusing, but if you want to learn more about that, you can go ahead and we have an online class you can take at rouserworld.com/classes, and I can get a little bit more into it for you. But for now, just follow along and draw and relax, and eventually it'll just start coming to you how to be able to see in your mind a person as a cartoon. Okay, so here I'm just drawing my glasses here. I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a nice little round shape here. I thought of the glasses as basically two circles just over the top of the eyes. So I don't think they're glasses. I think they're two circles over the eye. And now I'm going to start working on my mouth shape. Now what I do is I always draw the center of the mouth first. Okay, so what that shape is, and then I will add lips to the shape like you see I've done right here. So they come out with a very accurate mouth. A lot of the information that I'm giving you today, we will be releasing our first book here shortly. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers, so that's when we decided that we wanted to release the book. So you'll be able to read along with the book, and then we're going to have videos here to help you that you can refer to in case you don't understand something that's in the book. Sometimes it's easier to learn something when you see it visually done. So you guys definitely keep those notification buttons on so that you can be alerted as to when the book will be released. It will be an ebook, so you'll be able to download it right to your device and have it with you wherever you go so you can practice. Alright, so in this part, guys, we're getting close to the end. This is where I put my shadows and shades in. Once again, very easy technique to do. This will be something that you'll learn over time, that shapes have sides or they have dimensions to them. It's not like the earth is not flat, it's round, kind of an idea. And when light bounces off of it, it creates shadows. And so I like to incorporate those shadows into my picture to give my picture a bit more realism in the end product. Okay, so now we're at the last phase of the drawing. Pretty much I'll just use a Sharpie marker. I'll add a little bit of dark details here and there because I love to play with contrast in the picture. It just really beautifies the picture, especially when you're drawing the females, when you give them the darker eyelashes, you darken the eyebrows, and you just do little stuff to make them look really pretty. And besides, we have a good model to work from here today, so this was really pleasurable for me to draw. I enjoyed doing this drawing with you, my friend. Okay, so I'm just about closing out here, guys. I want to go ahead and while we have a little time left, thank you for watching the video and tutorial. I'm going to be posting more videos and tutorials soon. If you'd like for me to make a video about something that you don't understand involving caricature, just leave a comment in the comment section. Pretty much that's it, guys. Thank you so much for drawing with the Rouser, and I'll be seeing you next time.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate, guys, to go ahead and give us a like. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also, guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. It's always good to have new, fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always, guys, I wish you happy cartooning.